So now what we need to do is that we need to add a link to the login here, because if the user doesn't have an account, they will not be able to log in. So they need to register first. So you need to open up, if you go to your project and open the views, you'll find that we have here auth. You need to open the login, and then we need to add a link. So here at the bottom, I'm gonna say a tag, and then I'm gonna add here href, and then it's gonna be equal to root, double curly braces, and then root, and that root is gonna take the register, and here I'm gonna say register. Let me save and let me head over back to the browser and refresh. Now we have the register link. If I click on it, it's gonna take me to the registration form. So let me now register. So I'm gonna register here, and then I'm gonna click on register, create an account. Here I'm gonna click on register, and as you can see, it created an account. Let me go back to the main page. I'm gonna go to the main page, and then I'm gonna click on show appointments. As you can see, it's gonna show me the appointments, but we need to hide, first of all, we need to hide these inputs. Remember, if you open up the appointments, we need to hide these inputs, because we don't want to show the user these things. So I'm gonna say here style, and then display none, and then I'm gonna copy this over to the second and the third inputs, this one and this one. Let me now save and refresh one more time, and now we have here, as you can see, I have here the appointments. Let me click on book and test this. If I click on book, so it's not going to work. And the problem is we need to add the CSRF here. We need to say at CSRF. Good, this CSRF. Let me try one more time. So I'm gonna go back, and then I'm gonna refresh, and then I'm gonna click on book one more time. And as you can see, it took me to the main page, which means that it worked. And if I go to the database, I should have here in the bookings, I should have, as you can see, I have booked this appointment here, my name, my user ID, my appointment ID, the department ID, the appointment date, everything worked successfully. So now I booked an appointment at the hospital. Now what we need to do is that we need to display a message here. We need to display a flash message to tell the user that they have booked successfully. This is very, very important. And to do that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the index and display that message at the top of the index page.